Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Notifications under Sound. Following that, you need to scroll down and click on See All. Then click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications, like Google Play Store. In order to switch them back on, click on the same, now white switcher. You can also click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!